Hello my family, welcome to my house hunting video. So house hunting continue. Please ignore the shaking video. I was trying to hide my camera. I don't want my phone to be visible so that they won't tell me that filming is not allowed, like what happened to me in my previous house hunting vlog. So I wish I would have asked the agent if I can film, but I don't just want to take chances, so please bear and ignore, just enjoy the video. So this house is a 3-bedroom apartment on a first floor, and it has its own separate step. You're not sharing your staircase or your step with anybody. It's just you and you alone. The house has its own separate garage, and it has 3 bedroom, like I said before. It has a sitting room, it has 1 bathroom and 4 balconies. Also little storage where you can put your toiletries, anything you don't want to see in your kitchen, you can be able to put it there. The bathroom is spacious, like what I wanted. The rooms are big, I love it. But one thing I don't like about the apartment is the kitchen. Yes guys, the kitchen is not big enough the way I want my kitchen to be. I want my kitchen to be spacious, big enough to contain a dining table and chair. But we just have to accept it that it's not, you can't get everything in one apartment. Either you get 80% of what you're looking for, but 100% is a no. It's either you get a big kitchen and the rooms are small, the bathroom is small, or you get a small kitchen and the rooms are big. I love this house because it has 4 balconies, meaning every rooms have their own balcony, including the kitchen. The bathroom is big, it has its own compartment for washing machine. I just like everything. If you ask me, I can go for this apartment, but we are still searching. We've not concluded. Let me leave you to enjoy the video.
Bagno antibagno, nel senso che devo lavarti solo le mani, ti lavi le mani, vieni qua sul bagno. Poi c'è il posto per metterti lavatrice, c'è l'attacco. Poi c'è l'altra, che questa è una saletta, una volta c'era la sala. Tu portavi gli ospiti qua a bere qualcosa, eccetera, ma qua può diventare un'altra camera. E qua c'è l'altro balcone che già sempre sulla strada. Questa è una testa, già sempre sulla strada, e qua sotto c'è.
Yeah? It's okay.
In più c'è anche questo balconcino qua piccolo,
Okay.
che qua continua.
Okay. So guys, another thing I love about this apartment is that it's at the center of my city, close to my kids' school, close to the park, close to the bus station, close to the pharmacia, close to the store that is the only store in my city. So it's just close to everything. If we're able to get this apartment, meaning the kids won't be using school bus, I don't even need to follow them to school. They can go to school themselves. So it just around everything. That's one thing I love about the apartment. Washing machine.
Perché ogni tanto mi chiamano perché vogliono affittare, qui siamo 4.
The bathroom. First room. So fine. This is first room. That's the big balcony. This is the balcony. This is it. That's the living room. Third room. Third room. That's the beautiful balcony. Beautiful balcony. Wardrobe. Not just the light.
안 배워.